Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Moorish Cuisine. I would like to start with a question. Are you sending your kids to school physically or they are studying online? I think that's the question of the century or frequently asked question of 2020. And we all ask this question because we all were concerned and so undecided. We want best for our kids and of course we were concerned about their health as well. Fortunately, our district decided to keep our school online for the whole fall or up till winter. We are still discussing on it. Now, one question and answer, another question arises. Where my kids gonna sit? I know sitting here and there randomly will not do anything. They should have a designated place where they just go in the morning, sit down, have that school vibe, and get up by the end of the day. So I created this in-home online setup for them, and I thought to share the whole process with you guys today. So to start up this project, first we need to finalize where this online setup will be. After discussing with girls and with each other, and I posted this on my Instagram stories as well, so you guys can help me. We finalize this family room basement where we have this red color wall, which you can see right there. We can put their setup right there, and we already had this extra desk there where we're keeping our printer and all the extra stuff, so we decided to move everything from there and use this wall for our online setup. The first part was to move the furniture from there, and the heaviest one was this elliptical. Wes was busy those days, so me and girls decided to do it by herself. We just slide the socks underneath and then we can easily push this, and I shared this hack a couple of times in my organization video as well, how to clean the underneath the bed. Move everything from there, and then we decided to change the color of this wall. This red bright color was too dark for the school setup, and that's what we thought. So we just took the sandpaper and cleaned the wall completely and scrub it as much as possible because it was too dark, because we decided to put white color on it. So after cleaning it completely, we did bought the white paint and all of us painted together, and that was the fun job for girls. They thoroughly enjoyed it. And after that, another problem was to find the desk, and that was the hardest part of this project. All the stores were out of desk. If you are following me on Instagram, you saw me that I was running to different stores, and in the end I just found these desks from IKEA. And the trick was to go there early in the morning before this open up the store and just wait for them to open up the doors, and then you can go in. And I found the legs of the desk. While everybody was working, someone was just sitting down and having fun. I think she's keeping an eye on us, huh? So when desks were built and paint was completely dry, now it's time to accessorize and decorate our online setup.
Because no. See? Even the wall agrees with me.
To stick everything on the wall, I use this crafter double-sided tape I bought from Dollar Tree, just because I don't want to ruin the wall. Maybe if we decide to change the setup later. And now's the time to clean the rest of the family room as well, so girls will have a fresh start for their online academy. To store their school supplies, I bought this rolly cart from IKEA as well. I wanted to buy the drawer unit, but then again that was out of stock as well. So I put this caddy in there with their pencils, markers, crayon, colors, whatever the school supplies they both need. So I put this in the middle of both of the desks. This will create that separation as well, and both of their school supplies will stay right there in the middle. Then again, it has like two levels, so the first bottom one will be for Ishil, so she'll keep all her folders and files, and the bottom one is for Elmira to keep her stuff. I know it's hard, it's confusing, and it's something new for all of us. It's new for teachers, for kids, and of course for parents as well. And as a parent, I will just say that whatever you decide for your kid is the best decision ever. You know your circumstances, you know your situation, your working schedule, your family, and your kids' health. So, whatever decision you make is the best ever decision anyone can ever make for your kid. And if someone didn't tell you today, I will tell you that you are enough and you got this. And once again, thank you so much for watching.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
Good morning!
Okay, now I'm gonna
Strong Panthers and go